Hey YouTube, so this is the other guy coming to you today again. So in this episode we are going to be replacing sway bar links. This is off of a 2008 Toyota Highlander. My wife is the original owner of this SUV. So those of you who have a similar Highlander like me, you'll find out that because of due to time and regular wear and tear, you'll find out that your sway bar end link, it has perforated and it's leaking, and so that tells you that it's time for you to replace the end link. And so in this episode I'm going to show you how to replace those end links, and I'll show you how they look like and where they are found. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the sway bar end link right here. Okay, it starts from right here going down to here. This thing right here is the sway bar, anti-sway bar. Okay, so if you look into here, you'll find that there is a small tear here. Okay, right there. Okay, so it tells me that it's gonna give way, and there's dirt and grime that is going into the little joint in there, and so as time progresses, this thing could give way, could fail, in that it could just come out and it'll compromise your performance when you're on the road. And so I'm checking here too. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see, I'm going to flip this upside down. Okay. No, you can't see. Okay, hold on. Okay, so there, that is a bad boot right here. Okay, so it's not good. It's already torn. So we're gonna replace it, because as time goes by, dirt and dust is gonna get into here, and we're gonna have to replace it anyway. So now, while we are here, might as well do the replacement. So the trick here is to loosen this nut right here, and also loosen this nut right here, and it should come out. Okay, so let's get to it. If you want to know how to do this little fun job, come along with me and let's have some fun. Okay, so this is what you need. You need a 6mm Allen wrench right here. Okay, and then you need a 17mm special tool. You don't need a special tool, but it helps. Okay, so that it goes in like that. All right, so see how it comes off like that. Okay, okay, that end goes like that. You'll see it's the same thing on the other side here. On the bottom here, same method. This goes in. Okay, and then this goes in like that as well. Don't know if you could see, but it's the same method. Okay, so there you go. So now here comes the fun part. Is that's the old sway bar link. This is the new sway bar link. Okay. Okay, so this is how we install this bad boy. This end goes into here, but remember, you need a open end to catch this side like that. Okay, so we're gonna go this one going in like this. Oh, I'm sorry. This side going in like this, and then the bottom going in like that. Okay, this bad boy goes in like that. And then this bad boy goes in like this. Okay, so that goes in like that. There you go. And that's that, guys. So then you just need to tighten everything here up to specs again, and you'll be okay. So that's how you install the end bar link. Let me know what your thoughts are.